Hello and welcome to Red Hat Certified Engineer course. My name is Javed Akbar and I will be your instructor in this course. I have over 15 years of Linux and networking experience and I have over 30 courses online. I'm currently logged into Red Hat's website, which has the information about the exam. This is a performance-based exam and the duration is 3.5 hours. Cost as of August 2018 is $400 USD, and the test number is EX300. And the test, it determines if your knowledge, skill, and ability meet those required of a senior system administrator responsible for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So this is a senior level course. You are expected to have passed Rhce, which is the certification prior to this one, and I have a course on that as well here on Udemy, Rhce, and you have to have passed this, and of course you're going to learn a lot. That itself is a pretty challenging exam, Rhce, and then Rhce is a little bit more challenging compared to Rhce because you are expected to be a senior level system administrator. So in this course, I'll do my best to make sure that you have all the tools that you need in order to pass this exam. And we're going to go over all the exam objectives in the next couple of slides.